We are trying to promote millet in Karbi Anglong. It is because of two reasons: to improve the health of all, especially women and children. Secondly, to earn additional income to improve their livelihood. And in this regard, the NABARD is supporting us and the people of Karbi Anglong to improve, to revive this crop for the benefit of the people. Last 1 year, we have initiated for 100 farmers. This year also we try to promote millet for the people. We are trying to revive the forgotten crop to benefit the or to improve the health of the people. This is an effort. This is our vision that people enjoy good health and earn additional income.
No patak mane pindah bangkala skill updation apa patak tamane lorok itum dak da hawar molom kisuman peke thak bom lo sami kisuman madhara peke thak technique jolang la so skill koson si aku anhi baung thuima sorlo tumba bas peke thak prote sorlo der galle so pinsun no peke thak si so skill updation fan koson si kan klem naing ma ha patak jini pindak aching
My name is Bendang Ayer. I am the District Development Manager of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Haso districts. My organization is NABARD, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. And today we have inaugurated the model millet project for West Karbi Anglong district covering 50 beneficiaries. The inauguration of this model millet project is in continuation with the declaration of the year 2023 as the International Year of Millet by the United Nations. So under this project, we are helping the farmers not only to go for production of foxtail millets, but also we are looking at extending the necessary linkages, the value chain from production to processing to marketing, so that the income of the farmers increases. The farmers' income increases, they have access to better nutritious food so that their health also improves and they have also access to better income. For implementing this project, we are partnering with Amri Helping Hand Society, Amkachi. Thank you.